Hey YouTube, my name is Paulo. I am the Four-Eyed Hustler, and I have a package that I need to ship out today. Um, Class has been canceled. It is snowing. It snowed all night. It's about 5 inches of snow, roughly. I live near the Seattle, Washington area, and let me show you guys. It's crazy. So we're gonna walk to the post office, deliver this package, and I'll tell you about what's inside this package, who's it going to, and what exactly am I doing. So follow me, let's go. It's about a 39-minute walk, roughly 2 miles. Let's get there. There they are. Oh my sign. Put them where? Right. I love it. I love the exercise. So basically what I do is I sell books on Amazon. This customer is from the East Coast, I believe New York. And the special thing about it is this customer needs that book in 2 days. So I have to make sure the book gets to the post office ASAP, and the customer gets that book by Wednesday at the end of the day. And the customer paid a big shipping fee on top of what the book sold for. So I need to make sure that customer gets the book on time, even in the snowy weather. No excuses. So with that being said, the sooner I can take the package to the post office, the sooner they will ship it over to New York. So in this weather, I need to make sure that promise, that 2-day shipping promise, goes through. Hey guys, we just gotta go up the hill, make a right, and the post office should be there.
Receipt?
Yeah.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Great to be here.
Whew,
Yeah.
man.
Are there any delays today? Possibly?
No, I mean, mail is getting picked up. And the post office is always open. That's why you see us, because we can't call off. So we're here. Oh,
Oh,
my bad.
No, that's
This
fine.
is yours.
Yeah,
I'm talking too
thank
much.
you.
There you go. Yeah, so someone will be getting here to get this at about 2:30.
good. Thank
So
you.
yeah, it's already on the bundle to go away.
Fine. Thank
All
you.
right, see you later.
There we go, guys. It's gonna be checked in and sent in around 2:30, and hopefully gets to my customer earlier. And that's the way it is. Almost there, guys. Just gotta turn left up the hill. Yeah, great day today. Got some exercise, got my shipment done. Hopefully the customer gets the book on time by Wednesday at the end of the day. Then we're gonna have happy customers and we're gonna get paid. And I'll talk to you guys about that later on when I get inside. Alright guys, so straight to the point, I sold a writing textbook on Amazon.com. I don't remember what it was called or who wrote it, but it was an English writing textbook. That book had a sales rank of 424,542, which means that textbook is the number 424,542nd most bought book on Amazon.com. I typically shoot for less than a million sales rank, so the lesser the sales rank, the more quicker it sells. And I'm sure there are other factors that go into a sales rank. So customer paid $36 for that book. That's how much I posted it for. I typically charge, well, it's by default, but normally $3.99 is charged for a shipping fee. However, in this case, customer needed it in 2 days, so customer paid $14.99 for 2 days shipping. With the increase in shipping, the Amazon fees also increased from $8.79 to $10.43. I paid $6.95 to ship the item 2 days, 2-day priority mail, and I bought that textbook from my college for $7. So if I add these together, minus the Amazon fees, minus the shipping fees, minus how much I bought the book, I made $26.61 net profit. That is money that's going to my bank account. That's money for me. All right, guys, so $26.61 net profit. After all said and done, was it worth it? For me, yes. I was able to get my shipment done on time. I was able to get my exercise in, and I was able to play in the snow, which, by the way, it is snowing again. Here. Excuse my messy room, but unbelievable. It's snowing. Send help, guys. Snowpocalypse right here. Snowpocalypse, Washington State. But $26.61, that is my gas money right there for 2 weeks or 3 weeks even, depending on how far I travel for school, for work, for the gym. $26.61 extra money in my pocket. That's amazing for me. So I was able to get my exercise in. I was able to get my shipment on time. I was able to play in the snow. That's amazing. And I made money doing that, all that. It's a whole journey. So thank you for watching. My goal for this YouTube channel is to show anyone who is interested on the different ways that I know of making money online. For this particular transaction, I sold it on Amazon. I also sell on other platforms as well. And I'm also learning about the many different opportunities out there. So we're going to leave the video at that. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, only if you want to. My name is Paulo. I am the Four-Eyed Hustler. I will see you later. Stay safe out there, guys.